In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can edit files in Git, and we'll also be exploring how Get status will be beneficial for us when we are editing files. We'll also look into how we can add those edited files to staging and then do a commit. So let's go ahead and do that. So here I'm inside my Visual Studio Code. You can see I'm inside my working directory, Git code, and I'll just add few things to this file and save it. So I've made a change in a file called helloworld.txt. You can see that Visual Studio Code is also showing it as a modified file. What I'll do now is I'll run the git status command over here, and there you go. It says that this file has been modified. So Git is keeping track of this file, and it says that in order to commit it, you first have to stage it. That is by making use of this command, git add and then the file name. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and do as instructed, git add and then the name of the file. So this is basically adding the file to the staging environment, and press enter now. Let's go ahead and run status one more time, and this time you can see that changes to be committed are shown over here, and all I'm left to do is commit it. So while committing, we must provide a message. I've entered that. Let's press enter now, and if I now run git status, you'll see that it says on branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean. So this is how we can edit a file, add it to the staging environment, and then commit it. There are instances where you have more than one file to commit or add to the staging environment. You can do that as well. Just you have to follow this instruction. For instance, let's say you are adding one file over here, helloworld.txt, and you want to add another one like getexp.txt. Just separate them by a space, and that is all you need to do to add multiple files as well to staging environment. Now in the next lecture, we'll be exploring more about Git.